Video we will discuss some questions or examples based on rate of change. The example number 5, the total cost Cx represented by this function Cx in rupees associated with the production of X unit of item is given by this. This is the cost function. We have to find out the marginal cost when 3 units are produced. So first of all, what is marginal cost? Marginal cost is what? A rate of change of cost with respect to outcomes. Here it is given that Cx is equal to 0.005 x cube minus 0.02 x square plus 30x plus 5000. We have to find out the marginal cost. So that marginal cost of x will be what? The derivative of it with respect to x. This will be what? 0.005 into the derivative of this is 3x square minus 0.02 into 2x plus 30 and derivative of 5000 is 0. We have to find out the marginal cost when x is equal to the item, cost of item, when the number of item produced is 3 units, so x is equal to 3. When x is equal to 3, then marginal cost will be what? First of all, we will calculate it. This will be what? 5 3 are 15. So it is 0.015x square minus 2 2 are 4, 0.04x plus 30. So marginal cost when the item produced, number of item produced is 3 units. So we will put here x is equal to 3. So the marginal cost will be what? 0.015 into 3 square minus 0.04 into 3 plus 30. So it is 3 3 are 9 and 15 9 are 135. So it is 0.135. 4 3 are 12. So it is 0.12 plus 30. Okay. So it is 13 point. We'll calculate it. We'll get 13.015. Hence required marginal cost is rupees 30.015. So here in this question, the total revenue in rupees received from the sale of X units of the production is given by this function. This is the revenue. Total revenue is given. Revenue function is given here. We have to find out the marginal revenue. So same as the marginal cost. Marginal cost में हमने cost function को यूनिट के रेस्पेक्ट में डिफरेंशिएट कर दिया था. यहाँ भी हमने रेवेन्यू फंक्शन को नंबर ऑफ यूनिट्स मीन्स यूनिट्स इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय एक्स, तो एक्स के रेस्पेक्ट में हम इसको डिफरेंशिएट कर देंगे तो आपको मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू मिल जाएगा. सो द सॉल्यूशन here it is given that Rx is equal to 3x square plus 36x plus 5. So marginal revenue is what? dRx upon dx. So it will be इसका 2x हो जाएगा तो 2x into 3 3 2 जा 6x हो जाएगा plus 36 6x plus 36. And in the question it is given that we have to find out marginal revenue when x is equal to 5. So when x is equal to 5, then marginal revenue will be 6 into x is equal to 5, so 6 into 5 plus 36. 30 plus 36, that is 66. So hence required marginal revenue is rupees 66. Rupees 66 is required marginal revenue. Now, question number 4 of exercise 6.1. And it is what? An age of a variable cube is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. Suppose we take age of cube as what? X, and it is given that it is increasing, means rate of change of age is equal to 3 centimeter per second. It is increasing, so it is positive. How fast the volume of cube increases? We have to find out the rate of change of its volume. So volume of cube we represent it by V, and it is what? X cube. Now on differentiating with respect to t, so what we get, dv upon dt is equal to 3x square into dx upon dt. And the value of dx upon dt from first, so dv upon dt is equal to 3x square into it is 3 using first. So it is 3 3 are 9x square. But we have to find out rate of change of volume with respect to time when the age is 10 centimeter long. Means dv upon dt when this x is equal to 10 centimeter. So we'll put here the value of x. So it is 9 into 10 square. So this 10 square is 100, 100 into 9, 900. Volume, centimeter cube volume. Unit of volume is centimeter cube. Per time, this unit of time is what here is given that second. So it is 900 centimeter cube per second. Exercise 6.1, question 8. A balloon which always remains spherical on inflation is being inflated by pumping in 900 cubic centimeter of the gas per second. मीन्स इसमें 900 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब गैस पर सेकंड हम इसमें पंप कर रहे हैं. मीन्स वॉल्यूम जो है इसका क्या हो रहा है? इंक्रीज हो रहा है. मीन्स 900 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब पर सेकंड जो है ये रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ वॉल्यूम गिवन है. फाइंड द रेट एट विच द रेडियस ऑफ बलून इंक्रीजेस व्हेन द रेडियस इज 15 centimeter. We have to find out the rate of change of its radius. So here spherical balloon is given here. Let radius be r, then its volume V will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now if we differentiate it with respect to time, because rate of change of volume is given with respect to time is given, so dv upon dt means we differentiate it with respect to t. 4 by 3 pi and r cube 3r square into dr upon dt. Here in this question it is also given that dv upon dt, rate of change of volume is given 900 centimeter cube per second. 3 cancel and dv upon dt is given and it is what? 900 centimeter cube per second. So it is 4 pi r square dr upon dt. So dr upon dt will be 900 upon this. So 900 upon 4 pi r square. Now we have to find out rate of change of its radius when the radius of balloon is 15 centimeter. So we have to find out dr upon dt when x is equal to 15 centimeter. So it is 900 upon 4 pi into r, R is what 15, so 50 into 15 multiplied. 15 6 ja 90 and 15 4 ja, and this 4 and 4 cancel. What we get 1 upon 5. It is radius. Radius किसमें है? सेंटीमीटर में है. पर टाइम, टाइम किसमें है? सेकंड में. तो 1 upon 5 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकंड will be the rate of change of radius with respect to time. Next question is question number 9. A balloon which always remains spherical, means again we are talking about spherical balloon, has a variable radius. Find the rate at which its volume is increasing when the radius volume is increasing with respect to the radius. We have to find out the rate of change of volume with respect to the radius when radius is 10 centimeter. So we assume here let radius be r, then volume V will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. We have to find out the rate of change of volume with respect to radius. So radius के रेस्पेक्ट में चेंज, रेट ऑफ चेंज फाइंड आउट करना है, तो रेडियस के रेस्पेक्ट में हम डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे ऑन डिफरेंशिएटिंग विद रेस्पेक्ट टू r. So it is dv upon dr is equal to 4 by 3 pi into 3r square. इसे 3 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा 4 pi r square. It is dv upon dr. We have to find out rate of change of volume with respect to radius when the radius is given and that radius is 10 centimeter. So this r is equal to 10 centimeter. So 4 pi into 10 square. 10 square is 100. 100 into 4, 400. So it is 400 pi. And volume, unit of volume is what? सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. ये सेंटीमीटर में आपको गिवन है. और with respect to radius, so radius is again centimeter. So rate of change of volume with respect to radius will be 400 pi centimeter cube per centimeter. Next,
अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो फौरन सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, साथ ही बेल आइकॉन पर क्लिक करें ताकि मजीद आने वाली वीडियो